Okay, thanks for joining the Mobile Car Doctor. I'm over here in Noble, Oklahoma. Of course, everybody knows me over here. So we're installing this brand new carburetor. 1984 Toyota 4x4, and it is a Toyota truck. There's a fuel pump right there. Looks really nice. New carburetor's coming in. This is what it looks like. So if you have any questions about access, just look underneath, because you're going to find out that the bolts slide out to the bottom with a 12mm, and the tops are nuts. You just hold those and ratchet from underneath. Alright, that's just a little tip. Then you can set that in place and connect all your hoses back up. Anyway, carburetor removal, I'll put it underneath that. Y'all have a good day and stay away from that. Well, my wife told me to get in the corner, so I call it the corner virus. Stay away from that corner virus. I mean it now. Y'all stay safe.